Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Jared Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot, where we grow in each one of these growing containers 150 okra. What we realize is that families who are spending between $12 to $25,000 a year on food. And so what we decided to do was to develop a system that can grow their food for them. And we called it Torpedo Pot. Well, all you do is take your seeds or your plants and put them in these planters right here, and they grow your food for you with no human intervention. And isn't that a great job? It's beautiful. So we're seeing consistency among all of the plants. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love this. It's amazing. Torpedo Pot. Hey, you ought to get one, because if you're spending between $12,000 to $25,000 a year on food, well, buying Torpedo Pot can really save you a lot of money. You don't have to go to the supermarket to buy your food. Get your grains. And then you can grow your grains too, like we're doing with the corn, because we're using it for flour. Torpedo Pot, 150 okra in each one of these planters. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 750 okra in less than 10 feet. 750 okra. Now, how do we know we're going to do that? Let's do a count. This one plant looks fantastic. So there's 1, 2, I hope I'm not missing any. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that it's going to, and are we seeing signs similar? Yeah, the signs are similar for the other ones also. So you're going to get a lot of okra. Okra's not the problem, okay? But look how healthy these plants are. Aren't they beautiful? They're just like amazing. So what I do is that I realize that, hey, something's eating my plants. Look, see the holes in that right there? But they're in none other plants. So which means that the culprit is here. Let's see if we can find the culprit. Let's turn a leaf over here. There's the culprit right there. That's the culprit that's eating all of these holes in my plants. And I could see him. If this were on the ground, I probably couldn't see him. Now, what's so amazing is that, oh, look at you, little beetle. He just knocked you to the ground. Well, I'll let you eat a little bit further. But I'm not worried about him eating it because, I mean, come on. This is perfect food. These are perfect leaves. There's nothing wrong with this at all. I'll let him munch down a little bit. I don't mind it. I'll come back and cut off the affected leaves that he's been munching on and leave the other leaves behind. I'm just looking for my crop of okra. Now, okra, beautiful plant. The reason why I love okra so much is because, well, I wanted to show you something up with these stalks. See how big those stalks are for that okra? That's a nice thick stalk, okay? Really nice thick stalk. That turns really, really woody. And when it turns woody, the wood from that stalk is very, very strong. You can use it for building purposes. Very, very strong. And it's truly amazing. I love my okra. All right, I just wanted to show you guys what you can do when you put your trust in self-growing planters. These are self-growing planters. And all I did was throw my soil in there. I threw my seeds in my planter, and it ran by itself. I turned that knob on these planters. See that knob? Cut it on. And see how they water by themselves? You never water. You never feed. All you do is harvest. From seeds now, from pennies on a dollar, I'm going to grow 750 okra. Just imagine, 750 okra. Who does that? Torpedo Pot does.